Hey class, in this video you're going to learn how to share your stock project to my email. We're having an issue. If you turned it in Google Classroom, you did the right thing. The only thing is that once you turn it in and you want to update your project, is pretty much it tells you, it doesn't let you go access the document, or it tells you to, or it asks for you to request me, um, for you to update it. So I have to give you access. So I just learned that you have to unsubmit your project from your Google Classroom and then share with me. So how do we share? Once you're in your project, update your project, click share, and you will type my email address, Ramirez at wnYschools.net, and you could just send it, and you should be able to send it to me. All right. Any questions? Just let me know. Remember, share. It's on the right top corner of your project. So if you haven't shared your project, make sure you share it with me today or before Friday. So this project will be graded every Friday. So if you notice, every Friday you would be graded for the project. So you have to keep track of your project, each company, not just one company, one, two, three, and four companies. You have the four companies that you have to keep updated every day. So if you have any questions, make sure you email me or just make a comment on Google Classroom. Thank you.